Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session we will see a very special feature using oscilloscope when we are working on some electronic board, some circuits, and we want to compare signals between two boards or two circuits. If one circuit is working good and the second circuit is not working good, we can take a sample from one circuit and we can compare the second circuit with that sample. Let's see it. For example, for that purpose I will use this 1 kHz signal. I will connect this low side to low side and high side to high side. Press here auto set. There are different techniques we can use to troubleshoot. Now we can say this signal, this sample is from a good working board. It have 22 volt, 7.8 volt RMS, 999 Hertz or 1 kilohertz frequency, and this is the time. Just only go to save and recall. Now we have a sub function here. We want to take this signal as a reference. Press reference. From which channel? Channel 1. Reference A, save. Successfully saved. Now I will remove this board. This signal disappeared, but we saved the signal. Now I will use another signal to test. Now I connected another board. This is example. Another board that is giving, we can say 1.1 kilohertz frequency. Now what we will do, we will press this save recall button again. Reference recall. We have a white signal that is appeared here. Now we can compare the both signals. Just align any one peak, any one point of the wave shape. Either it is rising edge, either it is falling edge, either it is positive peak, negative peak. So we can observe there is a difference between the signals. If the both signals are with the same amplitude in y-axis and x-axis, we can say the signal is same. But now this signal is different. Here it is aligned, here it is out of phase. Here it is out of phase. If our signal is similar, as I connected the same 1 kilohertz signal here, it is overlaid on the reference signal, so that means that both circuits are giving this good signal. But if there is phase difference like this, we can align the signal in the frequency, or it is giving some dropped voltage. We can say this signal is providing the same frequency. This signal is now providing the same frequency, but the amplitude is dropped. If the amplitude is same, we will say that both signals are good. We can compare. If one board is working in one unit and the second is not working, we can take sample from the working unit and we can compare with the second circuit. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.